Decoration with pallets is one of the main trends of today, both for properties in the city, on the beach, or in the countryside. You can take advantage of these structures to make panels, cover walls, create furniture, and many other decorative elements. They are everywhere, in interior and exterior decoration, and even in party decoration. Now it's covering the walls with pallets. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate Tinkerbell so you don't miss the news. We have projects of the most varied styles of environments with this tendency. Look at this wall, making it a headboard, pure practicality and sophistication. The structure of wooden pallets in natural color was used in the decoration of the couple's room, to accommodate decorative objects and the TV, leaving the environment elegant. Children's rooms are decorated with painted pallets, used to place decorative objects. It also serves as a closet, a very interesting project. A modern and youthful style room has become more welcoming, with a rustic pallet wall. In the living room it looks cool, like a television panel. You can apply color to just a few strips, bringing a cooler style of decoration. Painting them all white with a platinum effect, brings more lightness. This room became more cozy with the wall covered with pallets. The natural tone helps to leave a more rustic environment. This pallet coating works like a TV panel, having a unique and personalized environment. On your balcony is an incredible tactic for hanging plants. There you can give a different touch to your decor. In this project, the pallets create a hollow partition between the environments. Note that even with the rusticity of the material, the environment is still classic and sober. In this project, the pallets cover the wall without being disassembled. Peeled, discolored, aged, no matter the state of the country. They always devour with a lot of style and personality. If you liked this idea, keep following our channel. We have several videos with the ones for you to get inspired. Bye, and until the next video.